So I'm going to shampoo and wash my hair today. Put this in it. This is, of course, aloe, and this is flaxseed. So it's the mucilage in the flax seeds, just like chia seeds and other things. Slippery elm has some mucilage. I wanted it nice and thick. I think I got the consistency. I added a little aloe, just that little cube. So love that pretty natural green. So I'm going to use this, and the shampoo and conditioner and deep conditioner I'm using today is Jisoo. I'm using this one, but I'm not even supposed to switch up, but hey, that's what I'm using. I really liked how curly my hair was when I used this deep conditioner, so that's what we're doing today. I'm going to put each one in this cup. I'm going to add some aloe, mix it up. In the same, oops, hold on, shit. I did go ahead and decide to add some xanthan gum to one portion. So xanthan gum is a thickener. So this is the aloe and flax, and then with xanthan gum, I did add a preservative. I added it cold. I shouldn't have did that, but you know, whatever. So this is what it looks like, just flaxseed. I did add the rest of that aloe, so it did make it a little looser. But look at that jiggle. Look at that jiggle. Nice and thick. Made it really thick. Added a little bit of that to this because I'm going to use it, so you can tell it got a little thicker. Get a mirror in here. So I washed and deep conditioned my hair, and I set it with my flaxseed and aloe gel. Now I'm about to go in with the slick back and do like any parts that the flaxseed didn't get. I'm gonna put my scarf on, and I'm gonna get into the dryer. Well, blow dryer. Would look like popcorn. Slick back. What was that dude? A pet named Slick Back? Was that his name? It's still a little wet. I gotta dry some more, but